Hi, fifth grade. So I wanted to come on here and explain to you what we're going to be doing this week. It's going to be a little bit different than the past couple of weeks with force of motion. We're still going to be talking about force of motion, but I'm also going to be preparing you for taking your end of unit test for force of motion. Now, it's a little bit different than what you've seen before with science tests. You're going to have multiple choice questions that you're going to have to answer. And you're going to be able to use your notes to help you answer this. But they're not going to be exactly how they're written in your notes. You're going to have to use your notes and you're going to have to use what's right inside your head, your brain. So you're going to have to think about what your question means and the different answer choices. So we're going to go through some test taking strategies this week that will help you when completing this, because this is the hard part with science in fifth grade, because you guys have never taken an EOG or anything with science. And some of you guys might not even really even had science classes very much in elementary school. But this year, all that changes. And it's even a little bit more different this year because you're not in the classroom. If we were in the classroom, we'd be able to act out some of these vocabulary words and some of these situations that come up in your multiple choice questions. But because you're not here, it makes it that much more difficult. So you are able to use your notes. You are able to go back and look at any of the videos that we had in the prior weeks. So if you are actually labeling your pages the way I asked you to with the date and the title, it will make it easier to go back and rewatch those videos if you need to. But this week, it's going to be all multiple choice questions and working on test taking strategies. So make sure you have your notebook and you're writing down notes and writing down some of your answers so that you can refer back to them when you take the quiz. Well, actually, it's not a quiz. It's going to be longer than the quizzes you've had. It's going to be 20 questions instead of 5 or 10. So it's going to take you a little bit more time. But I think you guys are ready for it and you can do it. So, and you have your notebook, which is totally different than any of the other fifth grades I've ever taught. They were never able to use their notebook. So you have that little bit of advantage over them. Okay, so make sure you're taking some good notes, you're watching all the videos, and you're ready to go. Let's learn some test taking strategies.